Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this is about Corel Draw 2019. I just got it today, and this video is going to be about basic shapes, but Corel has changed them to common shapes because they put all the old basic shapes with arrow shapes that we've always had. Then they've added some flow charts, banner shapes, and callouts we've always had, but they've added a triangle. That's something we've never had before. I've always had to use a 3-point polygon to get that. Now, the only thing I'm kind of disappointed, I'm holding down the control button and it's not a perfect shape. It's not a perfect triangle. This side is shorter than the other, but it's a big step. So instead of calling it basic shapes, they've gone to common shapes because they put them all kind of like on one flyout. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.